Welcome to StrikeForce, the channel delivering in-depth and reliable defense analysis. Today, we explore a quiet yet powerful development, one that could reshape the future of the Philippine Navy. Behind diplomatic talks and official statements, an armada of Japanese warships stands ready to sail under a new flag. In recent months, discussions have intensified about the transfer of Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force vessels to the Philippines. The transfer of the Abukuma-class destroyer escorts is already confirmed, but rumors suggest that 3 to 4 more classes are also being considered. If all this happens, it would be a major leap in the maritime power of the Philippines. Abukuma-class. Built between 1988 and 1993, these 2,000-ton destroyer escorts were designed for anti-submarine warfare. They are equipped with a 76mm Odo Melara gun, Ashrok anti-submarine rockets, torpedo tubes, and surface/air radar systems. All 6 ships JS Abukuma, Jinsu, Oyodo, Kizo, Tone, and Kuma were retired from Japan in 2023 and are expected to soon join the Philippine fleet. Ideal for patrol, escort missions, and securing the exclusive economic zone. Hatsuyuki-class. Launched in the 1980s, these destroyers brought a major upgrade. With Sea Sparrow surface-to-air missiles, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and a helicopter deck, they offer true multi-role capability. If transferred, the Hatsuyuki could serve as a mobile anti-air platform while expanding the Philippine Navy's helicopter operations. Asagiri-class. Think of the Hatsuyuki, but bigger and more advanced. Built between 1988 and 1991, these destroyers have upgraded sensors, a full helicopter hangar, and better seakeeping in rough waters. They are still active today, but could be transferred within 2 to 3 years. Acquiring them would be a quantum leap for the Philippines' blue water operations. Murasame-class. The Dream Destroyer. Entering service from 1996 to 2002, these 6,200-ton warships feature vertical launch systems, modern radar suites, and hangars for 2 helicopters. The chance of acquiring them now is low, but as defense analysts say, today's fantasy can become tomorrow's policy. After 2030, opportunities could open. Hayabusa-class. Small, fast, deadly. Built in the early 2000s, these patrol boats can reach over 40 knots and carry anti-ship missiles. Perfect for the Philippines' shallow waters and rapid strike missions in contested zones. Conclusion. In short, Abukuma confirmed. Hatsuyuki likely. Asagiri possible and powerful. Murasame a dream worth chasing. Hayabusa small but deadly. These ships are more than steel and weapons, they symbolize deepening Japan, Philippines defense ties and a shared commitment to securing the West Philippine Sea. StrikeForce always ready to inform, stay vigilant, and monitor every development. Subscribe now and stand watch with us.